Alright, so this is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and I'm showcasing a new feature as part of Samsung's AI foray, which is sketch to image. Now, I already drew something in here, it's pretty sloppy, so I wouldn't have to do it on video. It's just a house with birds. Now we've got several different styles: watercolor, illustration, sketch, pop art, and 3D cartoon. Now we've got the option to draw something, which I just did, erase something, undo and redo. And of course, now we can generate it, which is what it's doing right now. We've got a house with birds in watercolor, a house with trees, a house with just splotches. So it's doing a pretty good job. Now we can also take pre-existing photos and modify them. Sketch to image, and now we can do something like that. Drawing a balloon by the Eiffel Tower. Generate. My thumb was. Now it's generating. And it generated a balloon right there. If you can see that. There's my drawing, the balloon, some more balloons right there. Focus, there. Balloon, no balloon, balloon. Okay. Now, sketch to image is available on both the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, but I hope it makes its way to other devices that support Galaxy AI. So, anyway, if you found this helpful, then please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.